I'm at Hobby Lobby. I know we broke up, but I'm not shopping for craft supplies. I'm shopping for home decor. What is this? Hear that? Wow. Y'all, those videos of Hobby Lobby were taken in like June, and I was shocked to see fall items in June. So that got me thinking perhaps I should get into the fall decorating myself. It's now August, well into August, and I decided to pull out this really cute wreath that I made last year. This wreath was made for under $10 using all Dollar Tree supplies. So the first thing I did was paint the little Halloween cutout and the little ghosts white. I used Dixie Belle chalk paint in cotton. I did have the vine wreath already, so you can pick one up sometimes at Goodwill. You can always get one at Hobby Lobby for under $10, but you may already have one that you can strip down and reuse. Then I took this little house. It's actually a Christmas house that I had painted black, and I put the little crow on top. It had a little hole on top, so I used that to attach the crow. And then I put the little house in my wreath, and I started adding this sparkly, glittery, twiggy picks that I got from Dollar Tree. And then I found these glittery bats, so I glued those on. Then after I put a little bit of black wax on my Happy Halloween and my ghosts, I glued them onto the wreath as well. If you're enjoying this video, we would love for you to become one of our subscribers. So hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so that you won't miss any of our new videos. And if you've liked what you've seen so far, if you'll hit that like button, we sure would appreciate it. Once I got everything where I wanted it, I had found these Halloween bottle trees, or bottle brush trees, and I attached those. And then I created a bow out of this really pretty raw edge velvet, and I absolutely love the color. So I made this little bow, and that finished up my wreath. So this is a pretty easy project, just gluing a bunch, a little bit of painting, a little bit of gluing. Really easy afternoon project. Now my daughter saw mine and she loved it so much, I had to make her one too. Only this time I used an actual haunted house cutout that I got from Dollar Tree. And she added some little miniature battery operated lights to hers, which I think looks adorable. So here it is, August, and I am jumping on the fall decorating train. And again, thanks for watching.